Nigel knows best. What is the difference between the Thermistar sensors and IR sensors on the induction hub?
Thermistar sensors are a sensor used in the induction hob.
Yep.
And what that does, that detects the temperature of the glass. So, of course, the glass comes to a particular temperature and we want to be able to raise it and keep an eye on it.
Okay.
But what Panasonic have developed is an infrared. That's the IR sensor. And you can see the two front ones actually say sensor at the front, and it shows you that these two have the infrared sensors.
That's the first thing I would have thought of. Seeing the blue light, there must be an infrared sensor in it. Yeah, that makes totally sense.
Well, the infrared sensor's there to not detect the temperature of the glass, it's to detect the temperature of the pan or the pot. Because, of course, if we're cooking and we throw ingredients in, the temperature of the pan drops. But, of course, the temperature of glass doesn't. So on regular induction hobs, it would just carry on cooking at the same level. With our technology, the infrared sensors will detect that the pan temperature or the pot temperature has decreased.
So it's raising it?
It's going to raise up the power quickly to make sure that you have an even cook, causing no problems.
But what happens if you're already on the top level? I mean, is it 10, I presume?
You can do this in power levels or you can do this in heat, and that's the great thing. It's the heat sensor that really, really works. So, for instance, we could be frying pancakes, say.
It goes by temperature, not by level?
We can do both. So
but if you already have, if you already chose like the maximum level, and then like the pan,
it will increase.
Adjusts.
Yeah, no, it will still increase further than your regular cooking temperatures.
Oh, so it has some extra.
It has some extra power in the background already for you. So what it will do is to detect that the temperature of the pan has dropped because you've added ingredients, and quickly raise the power to carry on giving you an even cook. So once again, speeding up your cooking time, giving you a much better, and it means your results are the same every time. No matter how many times you cook this pancake or the steak, every single time you're going to get the same perfect results.
I see. Yeah, well, yeah, that makes sense.
That's what we want, is perfect, easy cooking.
Yeah, that makes sense. So Nigel knows best. Thank you for your question.